Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. Today I would like to show you another product from Fura gear, and we will be talking about one of their new frame lock knives. They have released in, if I'm not mistaken, May 2018, and comes in just a standard, not that durable paper box. These are the informations about the product from the storage from the company where I bought it, so GearBest, and they are not related to the product himself, or how should I say it. Fura does not describe their product numbers on the page. I don't know why. So probably all of their knives are called Fura gear, and then D2 or S35VN frame lock, liner lock. So these kinds of descriptions. So like I said before, disclaimer, I don't know if this is a clone or a homage or a copy or borrowed design from anybody else. If you know whose design this is, please leave comments down below, and so that everybody else knows. But as of the making of the video, I could not find any information about the maker or the designer of this knife. So, like all new products from Fura, these titanium alloy liner locks, it will come in a nice felt pouch. Always good to have. This way it is a little bit more protected in the storage and travel. So here is the knife, and we have another really nice product from Fura. Material wise, they will give you standard Chinese TC4 titanium, aluminium, so titanium alloy, not aluminium. Maybe some aluminium is mixed into it. I don't know the correct composition of this alloy. And the blade steel used on this knife is D2, so a little bit better than your standard HCR 18 MOV or 440 steel variant. So we have a nice milling on the presentation scale. The frame lock and pocket clip scale is smooth to help with your video carry. Inside, let's see, the inside is not milled out in any shape or form, so only the part here where the lock interfaces with the steel insert. So this will prolongate the life of the knife significantly, because you have steel on steel contact. What is really nice to see at this price point is that they give you a hidden hardware pocket clip mounting. So there is your screw inside. This is a 3D milled pocket clip. Really nice action on the clip, so it will slide without a problem into your pocket. You have nice angles, so if you this is a really nice slicer design. Let's see the opening. So the opening is okay. You can open it with your finger using the thumb hole, but in my opinion this is a designated flipper. Flips really nicely without any problem, with a reasonable amount of detent. So the design with the detent ball is really nice. On some Chinese knives, frame locks, not only Chinese, you have problems with the geometry of the lock and position of the pocket clip while you are touching the side of the frame lock. You can inadvertently push onto the frame lock, and you will cause a malfunction or not opening. In this case there are no problems. I can push on the frame lock and the knife will open without problems. So the geometry is really nicely made. We have inset stop pin, rides of course on washers with ball bearings. So this is a Kershaw style KVT bearing system. You have your plastic washer with ball bearings. They are probably stainless steel. I have not disassembled it. There was no need because the knife came really nicely clean and without any excess oils. So no disassemble, no cleaning was necessary, which is really good to see at this price point. So the significant, or should I say the most important part in these, let's say, budget offerings is of course the price. And on this one we are looking at around $42 US. That of course without shipping and any import charges and fees. But keep in mind that if you look around on eBay, and like always I try to provide you a link which will be in the description, so you can go and check out the knife and probably the best pricing that I could found at the moment of the making of this video. So you can get it at a significant discount. Usually if you are doing your homework, you can save let's say around 15 to 25% percent. So like I mentioned, we have a titanium TC4 titanium alloy frame lock, so both sides are the same material. Also the pocket clip. The blade is D2. Currently you have 3 variants you can buy: the blue, a teal color, which is light green, and a gray, so standard titanium. The open length, also the total length of the knife, is 21.2 centimeters or 8.35 inches, which is in my opinion a really decent full-size knife for all your EDC needs. The close length is 12.1 centimeters, which is 4.76 inches. The sharpened blade length is 9 centimeters or 3.5 inches, and the blade width of the of the widest part, so that would be around here, is 2.55 centimeters or 1 inch. The weight of the knife is 136.5 grams or 4.8 ounces, which is, in my opinion, without any kind of milling, really decent, lightweight knife for its size. So let's roll in some size comparison. So we have here a Strider knives, production SNG, so almost the same size. Well known and beloved Spyderco Delica 4, which is obviously a smaller knife. Then I have here just a Pilot G2 pen. Okay, so let's see the sharpness out of the box. As you can see, nicely, really nicely sharp, up to the point. So really great job from Fura Gear right there. The blade has a nice stone wash. Sorry about that. Nice stone wash finish, which is, in my opinion, excellent for the everyday carry task in which this knife is positioned. And let's be honest, for the price point, it is really nice knife to have. Or maybe probably if you want to make a nice gift to somebody, it will not break the bank. So I would position this to the knife makers like Tucson Knives, which are really nicely made knives and price wise in the same category. And you can get one in a little bit larger size than the majority of the Tucson knives. So that is around 21 plus centimeters or 8.35 inches. One feature that I forgot to mention is this nice oversized lanyard hole, so you can mount your beads and paracord lanyards without problems. The construction is with these spacers here, so you can blow out the dirt, the gunk and the lint without problems. The log engagement is really nice, around 40% or 35%. Has nice also 3D sculpted or 3D milled pivot screw. So overall, really nice design. So great job, great offering from Fura. If you have any questions, leave comments down below as always. Have a nice day.